Hello guys, welcome back. Good evening. In this additional, not in today's newspaper of Monday, May the 15th of 2023. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the edition of Thursday, May the 4th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Alright, and this will be number 6440. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one because for 1 star puzzle, for 1 star, this one has 0 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe this one faster than 15, 13 or 14 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about, yeah. Come on, a lot of numbers. 6. Come on. 6. Well, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there is here 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this column, last column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 2 because we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in the last column should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. We have a pair again, the 2 and 8 in this column, the 2 and 8 in the, 2 and 8 in the last column, 2 and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Look, we have a 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. Well. What's happening with my pencil? Alright, 2 and 8. Then. Let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. 7 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. And we have a pair, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes together with 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 9 and 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the set column. So the 5th column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in the last row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. Here can be 5 because we have 5 in this column. No 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in the last row should be there. Then... yeah. 5, okay. What is 7? 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. And here 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square, as should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5, okay. 4, 7, 6, wow. 9. Wait, 8 and think, 2 and 8. 2 and 8, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the middle row. I believe the 2 and the 8 are missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright. Yeah. 1 and 5. Come on. Seems an easy one, but it's not easy. It's not easy at all. 3, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 3 in the first row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1, 6, and the 9 are missing. 1, 6, and the 9. 1, 6, and 9. Nope, cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. Come on. 5. Yeah, 3. Come on. 8 and 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 and 6. No. 1, 6, and the 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is the 2 in this row. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And we have a pair. The 2 and the 5 in this column, the 2 and the 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 2 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this second row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Alright, 3. Okay. We have 3 here. Need a 4 here. About 8. 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Need a 1 here. Yeah, need a 1 in the first row. Need a 1. We have 3 missing numbers in the first row. Yeah, can it be a 1? Because we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. Here, these 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 5, so here can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in the first row, should be there. So 2 missing numbers here for the first row, the 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've eliminated the 5 here, so this box should be a 2 then. Yeah, do we have a 2? Oh no, here I need a 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so third column, and only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Oh, there is here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number, I believe, 9. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 9 are missing, I believe. Yeah, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. And a 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. How about 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you I need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the last puzzle for today. 8 tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.